Hey, it's Rob and welcome to Axel Garage. Well, we're still working on Emily's Jeep. This is the 2000 Cherokee that we wound up redoing pretty much the whole front end on. And as we're waiting for parts to come in, we were addressing the hood here. She's got some spots in the middle of the hood where the paint has flaked off, and because we spent the budget on the suspension in the front end and a radio for her, we're just going to try to make this hood passable for the time being, maybe the first year that she's at school with it. So we are going to clean it off with some bug and tar remover, pre-washed gel it says, bug and tar remover, and then we're just going to Windex it, and we're going to get the hood clean because we're going to put a decal on it, and hopefully the decal, which is one of those Jeep mountain compass things, that decal will hopefully hide the chipped paint that she has in the middle of the hood. So we're hoping that that'll just, all we just want to do is take the focus away from it, so you really won't notice it, because there'll be a decal on the hood and your eyes are going to get drawn to the chips that are in the middle of the hood. I don't know what happened to the paint on this thing, but that's what we're going to do. I ordered a Cheapo Amazon sticker, like $15. Hopefully it'll go on. I got it laying flat with some coffee mugs holding it to try to get the memory out of the, because it chips all rolled up. And we'll see what happens. So the first step is I'm just going to wipe it down with this bug and tar remover. Not that we have bugs and tar on it, but just to try to give it a deep clean. The directions on the decal say not to wax the vehicle within like a week of doing it. I thought maybe put a coat of wax on and then put the sticker on, but they say that the wax affects the adhesive or some shit like that. Anyway, we're just gonna clean it, get that sticker on, and see if it looks any better. If it does, take your eye away. The car is jacked up. The Jeep is not this high. I'm gonna have to get a milk crate to stand on. Alright, I got Windex, I got some Bondo spreaders, and this thing is just going to go like this, and we're going to put it right there, covering all the carnage. I guess we should find the center. It's centered left to right. Up and down don't matter. Centered left to right. That probably matters a little bit. Let me get a tape measure. So now the directions say to peel the backing off and to spray it down with the Windex. Actually, they say use water are the directions, but I've found that water never really seems to work well because it doesn't evaporate as easily as Windex. So here's the problem that you have with these fucking things, is when you go to peel the backing off, some of the letters pull up with it. They need to stay on the transfer. And that's what sucks about all of these freaking things. I don't think I've had one of these Amazon special decals, I'll call them, that have actually peeled off nice. You know, all these letters are supposed to stay on the transfer side when you peel the back side off. Alright, so this is going to be a giant pain in the ass. Holy shit. fucking Chinese. I should have known better. It's just too much to keep track of, motherfucker. So this first. Which is going to make it holy shit. They say it starts to stick as the water evaporates. I didn't use water, I used Windex, I know. I'm almost thinking that you gotta do these Chinese ones dry. Because every time I do it wet, it's a disaster. Chinese crap. Can you feel my frustration? Steve-O, bring me mommy's hairdryer.
Okay.
Right. Fucking Chinese stickers. No, over there, this plug. Oh yeah, that one's fine. That one's fine. Use that one. I'm tired of these fucking Chinese fucking decals. Everything's always a pain in the ass. Never fucking works like it's supposed to. Just warm up. Yeah. That's not really helping either. Oh, come on! Directions. You have to install them wet because the adhesive is much too sticky to install them dry. No, it's not. No, it's not. The adhesive fucking sucks. Alright, I walked away for a little bit. Then I started using the hairdryer again to heat it up to see if the stickiness will come back as it dries, and it seems like it does to a certain extent. So I'm just going to keep working the hairdryer, working it down, and peeling the backing little by little by little with some heat on it. Problem is that sometimes the fucking numbers move. Fucking Amazon dog shit is what it is. Now the glue is so strong, if you don't add water, you're not going to be able to do it. That's what the directions say. The glue is so strong you have to add water. Bullshit. And then it sticks when you don't want it to stick. Like 285 is messed up there. Ugh. Alright, all in all, I got it on hair dryer. It's just not sticky. I don't know. You know, it didn't stick to the backing good, and then it didn't stick to the car. Could it be the Windex instead of water? Maybe. I've always used Windex. The instructions usually always say Windex. This one said water. I don't know if it's cheap Chinese Amazon crap or installer error. Either way, I got it on. It looks halfway decent, better than what it looked like before, and I'm sure Emily is not going to notice any of the little defects that I was able to work around, but it looks like it's sticking now. The heat definitely helped using the hairdryer. I don't know. Hopefully she's happy. If she's happy, I'm happy, but this is frustrating to do. Next time, I'm going to try less water or dry even. Might have been a better choice. But that's it today from Axel's Garage. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed my frustration because I was ready to crumble the whole thing up, stick it in a little box, and send it back to Amazon as a defect because I was ready to smash it. I really was. I was losing my mind. Hope you enjoyed the video. And again, thanks for watching.